Hey guys, how's it going? Today we will be talking about how you can do your taxes on Wealthsimple Trade in less than 10 minutes. So guys, the first step will be to just open up Wealthsimple Tax. You're going to log in. So if you already have a Wealthsimple Trade account, then just log in and it's very that easy. And so you're going to choose 2023 return. And then we'll go with my account. And yeah, so the great thing about Wealthsimple Tax is you can easily, all you have to do is put in your Netfile access code and that could be found. So I'll literally tell you where it can be found. Like it babies you in through the whole process. So you need your notice of assessment and you can access this on the CRA website. So if you just click learn more, it will literally guide you on where it is. And see, if you go on to your CRA account and you click your notice of assessment, you will find it literally in the corner, and boom. Or you can find it on your paper copy, and then you just take that code, you put it in here, and yeah, then you get access to autofill your return. So if you just look on the left side over here, you're gonna go to autofill your return, and you're gonna make it check your code, and then it'll also import your gains from crypto exchanges. So when you click check again, obviously your SIN number is required, so make sure you put your social insurance number and then you put your Netfile access code, and then it will basically autofill everything. So just so for my own safety purposes, I have hid certain things, but pretty easy. You just follow the steps. You answer about your province, territory, you and your family, other stuff. These are all just specific questions that the CRA needs to know, so you just answer them all. Now the fun part is when it comes to adding your T4 slips. So pretty much just always double check with your physical T4 or wherever you get it from, and you add it in. It also adds your investment income. So if you have your interactive brokers connected, or your TFSA, Wealthsimple, anything that's connected to your SIN number, it will literally drop it all in here. If you made any trades, it will also place it in here. The only thing you would have to add is you'd have to add capital gains, or is it interest income, and it will export all of that into here. Tuition and education amounts, if you went to school, or if you did any college trades, you can just add that information there. If you did any RSP contributions, just double check that. It should automatically take it from your CRA, anything that's, like I said, anything that's connected to your SIN number, but you can add it here if it's not there. It will automatically add your capital gains and all your deductions. It'll carry it forward. If you work in a union like me, I'm an electrician, so you would add your union dues either in your T4 or up here. You can add other T4s. Oh yeah, so if you had any crypto, it would put it in here. And yeah, so now this is the part where it comes to the business. So if you own a business, specifically like a sole proprietorship, you would add your business information here. So I just put down my information over here, and then you pick your industry. So make sure your business is registered, or if your business is not registered, you just want to add any income, you can just go ahead and do that. But if it is registered, then make sure you put in your industry code and what kind of job it is. And then this is the fun part where you get to put your income, and then you also get to put your expenses. So if you had any receipts, I always like to keep a whole folder and everything with all my receipts, and you would just pretty much add how much for each section, how much you spent. So for advertising, for meals and entertainment, always make sure you're adding the correct information and you're saying the truth. I know sometimes playing with these numbers, it gets fun. My refund is actually not that big. I wish it was that big, but the reason why that is because I didn't put down my income from my business, right? Also, I want to keep that low key, but you can add all your information here, and make sure you always have a receipt, because if the CRA does audit you, you will have to show them proof of all these expenses. Then it just deducts all of this. Capital cost allowance. If you had any laptop, camera, microphone, or any equipment, you can add that here. Even if you had a motor vehicle, you can add that there. And then this will all just deducts, like if you had like dividends from the US, or any, or interest rates or whatever, interest payments from a different country, then it will all come there. And boom, my refund's $4,000. I'll definitely not get checked by the CRA. But yeah, and then you just go down, click over here where it says review and optimize, and then boom, if you click that, it'll review it, optimize it, and for me it'll say fix it. But then after you click that, it'll be done. It's really that simple when it comes to filing your taxes on Wealthsimple Trade, instead of paying an accountant and getting all flustered. If you have like a simple T4 and just one income and it's connected to your CRA, boom, that, like, you'll literally be done in 5 minutes. But if you have a business like me, it'll take over a couple of days. Or if you even did any trades in a non-registered account, which is not a tax-free savings account, then yeah, you most likely will have to do it. But anyways, guys, that's the quick tutorial on it. I hope you guys give me a subscribe, follow, and we'll see you guys next time.